I'm sick of people calling me the old guy, so I'm just warming up. I'm getting better.
It looks like Eli Tomac is sort of back. Obviously, the last race, finishing second, passing people, looking like sort of what we used to. And you gotta say, who knows if Jet Lawrence, you know, kind of lit a little fire under him with his, he's not the beast he used to be and kind of things. And his two, or the opening clip of this video saying, you know, he's sick of people calling him old. Like, even in the press conference after the race, which at the end of this video, if you want to see that, the question I was asked, you can watch the whole thing. I've put it at the end. Basically the same thing. He's just sick of people saying he's old and not, you know, who knows? Obviously, with the injury he got last year, he's probably only been on the bike for, what, 3 months? Which, yeah, it's a long time, but this is one of the deepest fields we've ever seen. One of the most competitive fields we've ever seen. When you've got, what, 12, 13, 14 factory guys, like, it's a big jump for major injury to racing full speed again, and good for him to even be back. He could have said, nope, you know what? I didn't win last year. I'm getting older. That's a major injury. I'm done. You know, off into the sunset and just been happy. But to put the work in, to come back and be competitive, good on him. And personally, I'm really happy that he's back because I like Eli Tomac. He's, you know, he is the consistent guy, the guy who you know is going to be there at the end of the race because he's fit. And that hasn't really showed this year, but as the time goes on, he's getting a little bit better and a little bit better and a little bit better. So hopefully as the season continues, he just continues to keep that trend going. But in comments below, you guys tell me. Next week's Daytona, obviously, it's going to be it is his track. You know, he is the guy who crushes that. And I'm excited to see it. Obviously, see if he can win again. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, how well do you think he does? Who do you think wins? Are you excited for the 250s now? Faulkner's gone, whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
Almost sort of seen some fire, you know, come out from inside of you, referencing back to, you know, potentially the comments of being the old guy. Do those comments creep in, or is it just more frustrating for you?
Yeah, they creep in. And I've kind of just like have heard it the whole season, you know, and I know I'm not like there yet, and but I don't know, maybe some people are right. I haven't won an overall yet, but one thing's for sure is I have improved and I'm getting better. So yeah, I'm ready to, you know, put up the fight in this last half and you know, maybe show some of the young guys that they're still young.